Today we're going to make a video to refurbish Xiaomi model's screen. This is a Xiaomi flat model. We already stick the OCA glue on the screen. Now we're going to laminate this touch glass on the screen. We don't have alignment mode, so we're going to align the glass with this frame. Once you put the glass well on the screen, don't press it. Just leave it as when you alignment. And then take out the screen, we put it inside our lamination machine. As you can see, there are 2 pieces black magic lamination mat on the base mode. Make sure you put 2 pieces magic mat, because the screen and flags will easily damage if you only put 1 pieces. We already changed the machine to laminate flat LCD. The vacuum time was set to 10 seconds, and the hold time was set to 13 seconds. Most flat models, you can use the frame to alignment if you don't have lamination mode. Okay, it's almost finished laminating. Let's go to check the result. Okay, peel off the top film. As you can see, there are some bubbles after we laminate. In the middle of the screen and in the bottom of the screen, we're going to put inside bubble remover to remove bubble for 10 minutes. We're going to stick the top film on the screen before we put it inside bubble remover. We set it to remove bubble for 10 minutes, and the temperature is 40. Okay, it's already finished the remove bubble. Let's go to check the result. Tear off the top film. Wow, it seems very good. There's no bubble at all after we remove bubble for 10 minutes. It's very good, no bubble. Now we're going to test the screen to see if it's still working well or not. Connect the flags adapter, and then we turn on the mobile phone. Okay, it turned on. Okay, the touch still working well. It's very perfect. Very good result. And as you can see, it alignment very well, even with alignment by hand. This is our mini bubble remover. It's working very well. And our lamination also laminate the screen very well.